Okay, let's solve this problem. The question is to prove the following. So here there are two questions, one is A and another one is B. And these questions were actually got from somewhere else from a reputed institution. But I have found some mistake there. Okay, let's solve and then we'll see. So for the first problem, AB bar into C plus BD plus A bar B bar, that is equal to B bar C, right? So this is coming under digital electronics, Boolean algebra. When you simplify this left hand side, you need to get the right hand side. Then only it is proved. So when you go for this left hand side, first for this term, we use the distribution so that it is A B bar C plus A B bar B D. Okay. Plus the next term, this one, this we take as such. So it is A bar B bar. In this, when you consider this second term, in this we have this B bar B, right? So B bar B is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. So you get only two terms here. A B bar C plus A bar B bar. As a next step, we can write this by taking this B bar outside. So that we will be having AC plus A bar. In this, it can be written as B bar into A bar plus C, because we can write this X plus X bar Y as X plus Y. In the similar way, we have written this as A bar plus AC as A bar plus this C. Okay, so this is your answer, correct answer. This must be at the right hand side. But in the problem itself for the tutorial, it is given wrongly. So some terms must be missing, I guess. So if we add a C to this third term, then I guess it would be uh, correct, so that you will be getting the right side equal to B bar C. Okay, let's try this. A B bar C plus BD plus A bar B bar C as the left hand side. Then you will be getting this as, for this you can use the distributive law, so it becomes A B bar C plus A B bar BD plus A bar B bar C. So this B bar B, that becomes 0, so that this term becomes 0. A B bar C plus A bar B bar C. In this, B bar C is common, so we take it outside. Inside the bracket we get this as A plus A bar. So we know that this A plus A bar is equal to 1. So that this answer is, that is B bar C. So you will be getting the right hand side. So the tutor forgot to give this, I guess. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. So the second problem is A bar B bar C on the left hand side plus A plus B plus C bar the whole bar plus A bar B bar C bar D. Now you go for the second term, so that can be written as, first term is A bar B bar C plus the second term, taking the whole bar, A bar dot B bar dot C double bar becomes C plus A bar B bar C bar D. So when you see these two terms, first term and second term, both are same. So if you have two things getting repeated, x plus x, that can be written as x. The same way we write it as A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar D. In this, A bar B bar is common, so we take this as C plus C bar D. This is A bar B bar within bracket C plus C bar D. That's of the form x plus x bar y. That can be written as x plus y. So here C plus C bar D can be written as C plus D. Now have a look at our problem on the right hand side. It is being given as A B bar C plus D. So the answer is also there given wrongly. It must be A bar B bar into C plus D. So this is the correct answer. What is given here is wrong on the right hand side. Okay. Okay, thank you.